Hello, my name is Kyle Edgington, Vice President of All-Fill. We're coming from you live from our headquarters here in Exton, Pennsylvania. So this feature is going to be on our line of semi-automatic auger fillers, really the backbone, bread and butter of the company. When my grandfather started this company, or founded it back in 1969, this is exactly what he founded it on, a semi-automatic auger filler. What that means is it's a foot pedal operated machine used to fill any powder or granular type of product. We sell this type of machine to many big companies out there that are maybe doing small runs, keep this thing in the corner in addition to their automated machines. Also to the small startup, mom and pop shops that are looking to take any type of step towards automation, they start with something like this. So our entry-level semi-automatic machine, our #1 seller is our model B-350e. That's this machine right here. The B-350e, like I said, is a foot pedal operated machine, clutch brake motor that you see up top here, okay? Very easy to use, very rugged, very durable. The way that this machine works is that you have a hopper, and this is where product is stored, bulk product is stored. You have an auger, and you have a funnel. Now, the auger filler is really no good unless you have the correct auger and funnel combination. What we do here at All-Fill better than anybody else is we have great product experience and product knowledge when it comes to what auger and funnel is needed for what particular application. So, auger and funnel that's needed per that particular application. Auger simply goes right up into the auger shaft that you see here, locks in place. Funnel does the same, tighten everything down, you're ready to go. Again, this is our model B-350e, our entry-level filler. From there, we also have 2 more semi-automatic models that we tout out there. The model B600, which in theory is exactly the same as this machine. Biggest difference is upgraded control package, and the biggest difference is that it has a PLC. The PLC, programmable logic controller, allows it to communicate with other pieces of equipment, such as a scale, such as a check weigher, or any other type of machinery that you might have. Our last model that we have is our servo filler. So we call it our BSV600. The biggest difference on that, rather than using a clutch brake motor, we use this what's called a servo motor, a direct drive, many user-friendly capabilities that are better than that of a clutch brake, but it's really all about what the customer is looking for. So we sell this machine to the mom and pop startup company. We sell this machine to the company that already has a ton of our automatic auger fillers, but again, they're looking to do a smaller run. They keep this off into the corner for those smaller production runs. This machine is absolutely perfect from taking a company that's hand scooping and wants to get to some level of automation. So foot pedal operated machine usually can perform anywhere from about 5 to 15, possibly even 20 containers a minute in good applications, and kind of takes them to, like I said, some level of automation. Great machine if you're filling any type of powder or granular type material. Nutraceutical powders, protein powders, vitamin powders, spices, sugars, salts, whatever it might be. So with all of our semi-automatic auger fillers, all 3 models, the B350, the B600, and the Servo 600, we stock every single part on this machine in our stockroom, available for overnight delivery if needed. So with all of the machines that we sell here at All-Fill, we always recommend that a customer comes in for an FAT, what we call a factory acceptance test. That's where the customer can actually come in with their product, with their containers, see the machine, touch the machine, feel the machine, run the machine, get free training on the machine. That way, when the machine is ready to ship and it gets to the customer's facility, they have a much better understanding of how the machine is going to operate and how they can ultimately operate that machine. We urge them to come in and stay as long as they'd like. What we do is we break down their actual machine for them. We explain the controls, all the features and functions, how the motors work, what the proper maintenance is on this equipment, and then ultimately we run their exact product with their exact containers so they can see what the results are. The good news with doing an FAT is, in addition to getting free service and training, once the machine gets to the customer's plant, they'll know exactly what to expect. They'll know what type of accuracies they should be obtaining, what kind of rates they should be attaining, and if for some reason they're not, then obviously something's going on that we have to fix, whether it's setup error or whatever it might be. But an FAT is kind of a fail-safe for when the machine gets to the customer. So base price for a semi-automatic model B350e auger filler with a set of filling accessories. Again, the auger and funnel we're going to be right around $16,000 for a machine. As we go up to the B600, as we ultimately get up to the Servo 600, price increases about $5,000 per machine. Here at All-Fill, we ship all over the world. Most of our sales are done here in the domestic United States, but we ship these machines and all of our equipment all over the world. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial. It's always a pleasure to get to explain our company and our machines better to you. Here's a couple videos showing these machines in action. For more information on these machines or any of our product offerings, please feel free to reach out to me directly at any time. Kyle, K-Y-L-E, at allfill.com, or call our main number, 610-524-7350, and any of our team members will be more than happy to help.